Architraves are what make the doors in our homes really come to life. Without them, the houses would look much less desirable, the door frames would have little protection from the elements, and the skirting board would look out of place. However, as time goes on, due to the age or wishing to redesign the room or house, many people will want to change their architraves. In today's video, we'll be showing you just that. How to remove your old architraves. Here's the tools you'll need to get the job done. A Stanley knife, old chisel, and a hammer. Step 1. Using your Stanley knife, check and find out where the cork and gloss paint is on the architrave. Once you locate them, cut from top to bottom, ensuring both sides are properly cut. Step 2. Using a chisel and hammer, tap on the doorframe side of the architrave from the bottom and work your way up, gently prising the architrave until you get to the top of it. Most modern architraves are fitted using pin panels or nails, so as you start the removal process, make sure to take out any pins or nails you see along the way. Step 3. Once you finish, peel the architrave away from the wall. Use the chisel to help you if you are struggling with this. Take care not to use the wall as a lever, as this will damage the wall. Once the architrave is peeled away, put it safely out of the way and continue to work away on the other sections of the architrave until you have removed all of the architraves from the wall. And that concludes our video. If you like this video, please do give it a like, and if you want to see more from us, do remember to hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, we will see you in our next video.